I wasn't sure how I was going to do the my top of the thing here. I only put one blower on it, but I kind of cut off there's the teeth on the drive up there. I think it'll look alright. Nobody will notice. So here I put a bag, I stuck a bag in there. I still got the sprue here welded inside my thing here. But I taped it off. I was going to throw some gold on there around the window. Taped it off, kind of jaggedly, but I was going to mist it really quick. I'm going to do one side at a time back here. And I was surprised how easy it was to stuff that bag in around there. And then I left my tape sticking out, and I just kind of touched the bag up in there, and boy, that holds really nice. It was so quick and easy. I was surprised. I guess and I still got out on my sprue here that I painted it with originally. So I'm going to do that one side, step out. Then I'm done with our tape off the other side. So, but yeah, as far as I got so far, looking pretty good. Nice day out there. Happy Labor Day. Everybody at works.